Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Getperfect. So in today's video we are going to learn about how to use HLOOKUP formula in an Excel. So I have three examples for you. So without wasting any time, let's jump onto my laptop screen. So example 1, here I have some student name and I have grades in front of them, and here I have a table in which I have to fetch the values. I have to fetch the grades for the student from this table to this table. So first let's check how VLOOKUPs work. So in this column, in this particular column, I'll show you how the VLOOKUP works. VLOOKUP is nothing but the vertical VLOOKUP. If you have not checked my VLOOKUP video, I'll share the link above in the I button and also in the description box. You can check that video. So VLOOKUP, open bracket, the lookup value and the table array. This is from A1 and B, comma 2. So from column 2 I have to derive the data, comma 0, close bracket, and when I copy and paste it, I'll get all the lookup values. Now this particular data was in a vertical format, so we were using a VLOOKUP. Now the same data is in the horizontal format below. See, student and grade, these are rows which were earlier columns, and Rajesh, Ramesh, Suresh, this is in a horizontal pattern. So for doing a lookup in a horizontal data, we have to use HLOOKUP. H stands for horizontal, lookup is the same as we use it for the VLOOKUP formula. Then the lookup value also remains the same. Now instead of doing it vertically, we are doing it horizontally. So I'll select the entire data. This is a table array. Now comma 2, there are two rows, so comma 2, comma 0. Good. So I just fix this values. For fixing the cell, the the key is F4. So I'll just copy this and paste it. See, so this is the first example where I have a table. I have done an exact match. I have showed you how I have done it in VLOOKUP, and I have showed you how we can do it in HLOOKUP also. Now in the second example, I'll just increase the size. In the second example, I have sales volume and the commission. Okay, for this particular sales volume I need a commission against it. So but there in this table I need a approximate commission. See, the sales value, anything between 50 to 1 lakh, the commission should be 2%. Anything between 1 lakh to 150, the commission should be 5%. So for exact match we use 0 at end, and for approximate match we use 1. This has also been explained in the VLOOKUP video. Please check the VLOOKUP link once again. Okay, so first let's do it using a VLOOKUP. So this is the lookup value, and from this I have to derive the data. I'll press F4 to constant these cells, comma 2, comma 1. So 1 is an approximate match. See, so anything between 50,000 to 1 lakh, the commission would be 2%, and so on. So I just copy the formula and paste it. I get it. Now the same formula using an HLOOKUP. So there, here it was, the data was in the vertical format. Now I have a data in a horizontal format. So everything remains the same. HLOOKUP, open brackets, the lookup value and the cell which in the table array in which the lookup needs to be done. I select the table array, I press F4 to constant the values. I say two columns because there are two columns over here, and I say approximate match. Close the column, I copy it and paste it. First I'll delete this, I'll copy this and I paste it. See, so I have shown you using both the way, the vertical also and then the horizontal also. And the last part is this is the last example in which I have student names, I have their grades, and I have the total marks what they have got. And in the below table I want as if I change the student, the above things should get changed. So this table, the table array, is in the horizontal format, so I can do using a HLOOKUP. I can get these values using a HLOOKUP. And if you're thinking how I've got this list, how to make a list in an Excel, you can check my video on index and match, in that video I have shown you how to make a list. I've shared the link in the description box and also in the I button. So let's start. HLOOKUP, the lookup value, the table array from Rajesh to Mahesh till the total. Now this is what grade. Grade is in column in the row number 2, 1, 2. So comma 2, comma, I want an exact match. For exact match, you can either write false or you can just write type 0, close bracket. See, now Suresh has got B grade. If I change the name to Nagesh, it's C grade. See, now I want to look up the total also. Total marks received to the lookup value is Nagesh. So 1, 1, 2, 3. 3 rows, comma 3, comma exact match, enter. See, Nagesh has got 70 marks. If I change this name to anything like Mahesh, he has got C plus and 75. Great. So I hope you like the video, and now you are well versed with the VLOOKUP, the index match, and as well as the HLOOKUP. If you have not still subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe it for more such videos coming and free training. Also make the most use of the free training material which I am giving in the below link. So if you're liking what I'm doing, please hit that like button, comment on this video, and please share. And if you have any feedbacks for me, please feel free to give me that. Okay, thank you so much for watching. You have a nice day and do take care of yourself. Bye bye.